2020 has seen so much cancelled, leaving us all feeling like the pandemic has meant we've had to miss out on so much. So when authorities up and down the UK cancelled gatherings to turn on the Christmas lights, it felt like yet another missed tradition. However, one local authority has a plan: bring on the drones. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel we bring you a mix of drone and tech related content, from news stories like this one to live streams, how-to videos and interviews. For more content like that, hit subscribe. Christmas is a fun time of year with many traditions shared the world over. One such tradition which is popular here in the UK is the annual Christmas light turning on ceremonies. The larger ones, such as Central London, often have a large fanfare attached with celebrities hitting a button to light up the fantastic Christmas decorations. Of course, 2020 has been a year of isolation and missing out on events requiring large gatherings. And with England currently in the middle of a full lockdown, many local authorities have decided to turn on the lights without any form of celebration. Many will carry out the turning on of their local Christmas lights without any notice to avoid the crowds. However, one authority in Leicestershire has tried to think out of the box in order to bring the local population of around 100,000 residents a little cheer. How? Drones, using a specialist team of drone pilots and ground camera crew to capture the entire event and live stream it on Facebook. The local government area of Blaby takes its name from the village at the heart of it and is a very typical English area, working to get through lockdown and towards a Christmas hopefully spent with loved ones. Local leaders have decided to take the step of broadcasting the event live, with local police on standby to move away any attempted to visit the event in person. The setup will include one drone capturing the lights from above, with a camera crew set up to cover 4 angles from the ground. The virtual show will be broadcast live on the Blaby Facebook page on Friday the 27th of November at 6:45 PM UK time, featuring an exclusive visit from Santa himself, a choir and more. Lauren Withers, assistant manager at Blaby Parish Council, said, "We have all of our Christmas lights going up as normal. We have 4 professional cameramen for the switch on and a drone. The drone will fly above the village centre, so anybody tuning into the broadcast will see the village light up from every angle. The musical village choir will perform Christmas carols, and there will be a constant stream of messages and pictures sent in from local people to their friends and families." Lauren also said, "It is imperative to us that we come together as a community stronger than ever. We're hoping that this will be a truly magical virtual switch on, and that will uplift the local community and instill some positivity through this dark time." It will be interesting to see how the drone crew deal with some of the issues which could come up attempting to capture this kind of event. This is a great story and showing the public how positive drones can be. Let me know in the comments what you think of this idea. There is a link in the description to the Facebook page where the show will be live streamed from. If you're still watching this video, would you mind hitting the like button? I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
What are you still doing here? You know the drill. The show's over. You don't get to be here after this. Embarrassing me all the time.